company called More Threads is a competitor against Nvidia. Uh, I think the guy that is the CEO over them used to work for Nvidia. So this is classic China. They're stolen IP, and now they're going to try to mass produce these chips. I'm not sure what their chip is like. I haven't done any research on that, but I do believe this does create some problems with Nvidia. But ultimately, I'm keeping my long term forecast where it's at. Uh, I think it's good to be very selective here. And me personally, I'm reviewing what a company I'm planning on trading next week, and what I'm hoping to ride out through this trend right here. Obviously, I'll update the group on that, what stock I'm looking at, and I'm going to stick with the winner, or with the, probably like Google or Broadcom. AMD seems to be doing all right too. Um, but obviously, I still think this is a classic five-wave pattern. We've not broken out or broken down yet. I kind of thought we'd roll over by now, but we're still in this trend. The RSI is down off. That's telling you that we're this move's coming to an end, and I expect this to come down probably in this area right here. But still, my forecast is up. I think I had a price target in the 800 range, and I still believe that's possible with everything, with how everything's played out. It just everything looks like it's really similar to 2020, and we've got the Fed coming in, um, but there is a lot of risk too with this, and especially with with the more threads. I don't know how that's going to affect prices, but ultimately, with you see right here, we had the same kind of pattern. We actually didn't make a new high, and we came back down. And you see how big the 1-2 is. It's the same thing over here. Same thing right here. And we're coming up. I expect this to come down a little bit this coming week. And then I'm going to try to position myself, and I'll update y'all on what I'm looking at and what plays I'm planning on doing. Um, let's look at Google. Google's been on a straight tear. I don't even know if it's. Let's see if we can get a count here. I think we're in the ending diagonal on Google. We're in the three. We're in the three leg right here. So with this moving up, this may carry the market. Let's see. I got my 1-2 right here. It's been straight. It's been a straight up shot. So I think the short term target's up here at 365. May take a couple weeks to get up there, but I think this will continue going up. But that's the stock I'll be looking at. I'll be looking at Broadcom too, and Oracle, because it's been sold off so much. Broadcom looks kind of exactly the same. Um, yeah, these stocks are tearing. I think it reset the impulse right here. And on these stocks, you got to kind of look right here on the weekly.